Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram grid. When you go to some people's Instagram profile, you will see something like this. I'm using my Instagram profile to make an example. You see pictures like this. This is how my Instagram profile is. If you go to my Instagram profile, all the pictures I put on my Instagram are covered on my Instagram wall. So I'm going to show you how to do this. This is very easy to do. You can add any picture. You can put any picture like this, banner, anything. It makes Instagram professional anyway. So initially, before I used to do this with Photoshop, but that is a very long way before I discovered how to do this with a phone in a very easy way. Before I use Photoshop, I will start creating the size of the image, the full image, trying to divide it on Photoshop, dividing it by 500 by 500 pixel, and like that, I will start uploading it. But I'm going to show you the very easy way you can do this, and your Instagram profile will be like this. And I'm still going to show you the mistakes that you don't need to do, because any little mistake, I'm going to show you some mistakes that if you do, it will scatter the whole thing. Okay? Meanwhile, for those of you that have not yet subscribed to my Telegram channel, make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel, because some information I give on my Telegram channel, I don't give it out here on YouTube. I give some vital information on my Telegram channel on how I make up to 500,000 naira in few hours job in a day. On my Telegram channel, I also give informations like how you can make an image, JPEG or PNG image, to talk in a live video on WhatsApp, Facebook, on any live video platform. So if you want to be getting this special and vital information, make sure you join my Telegram channel, where I give different kind of information that I cannot be able to give here on YouTube. So for those of you that have not yet joined my Telegram channel, I will leave a link in the description below this video. And my Telegram channel is also on my YouTube channel for those of you that would like to join my Telegram channel. And if you're on my Telegram channel, you have the opportunity to communicate with me one-on-one. You can be able to write me and I'll reply you directly in inbox. Okay, so make sure you join my Telegram channel. Now, this is my Instagram profile. I will leave my Instagram profile is already on my YouTube channel anyway, but I will leave it in the description below this video for those of you that would like to view or follow me on Instagram as well. But I'm going to use another Instagram to do this, because I just want to show you guys something. Now, let me go to another Instagram, Pro Creator. This is the same way. This is Sly Bender, Adesanya. This is Francis Ngannou. This is Whiskey. This is Tiwa Savage. This is Davido and all that. Okay. I don't want to scatter this profile, but I'm going to use this for an example. Now, let's jump right into the main thing. Let me show you guys. If you want to paste a picture like this kind of pictures that you see, this is Adesanya. This kind of pictures that you see, you can see these are separate pictures. That this is one full picture that is divided into 6 or 9 or 12 or any number that you want. Then you start uploading it accordingly. I will still show you how you can upload it so that you can get this right. Now let's go to your, for those of you that are using an Android, I will still check it in iOS, but in Android the app is free. Go to your Android store and click on Greedy, Griddy. When you click on Greedy, you can see a list, Grid Maker. When you open this is Grid Maker. You can see this is Grid Maker for Instagram. There are different Greedy. This is another one. There are a whole lot. So install any of these ones that are free. You don't need to pay for it if you're on Android. I don't know about iOS, but I will check it later. Now I already have one of the apps here, and I'm going to use that app. I'm going to type Greedy. Greedy comes up. This is the app. You must have the picture that you want to upload on your Instagram. Now you have to come to this first one, Greedy, that you have um, different squares in one big square. Click on it. Now let's use okay, let me use this picture. Yeah, I'm going to use one of these pictures. Now note, if I use this one is the exact size. You know, it's going to divide this picture into 9, 3, 3, 3, which is 9. But if I go back and click here, this one is bigger picture. If I click here and select, you see, it's going to cut off some of the part of this picture. So you have to do is scroll up or scroll down the part you want it to show. You know, you want it to cut, you want to upload on your Instagram, and say, okay. You can see 987654321. Once you're uploading this picture, you have to start from 1. You don't start from 9. You don't start from any other number. You have to start uploading it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, the next thing you have to do is click on save. Are you sure you want to save all the photos in your gallery? Yes. So this picture now has now been divided and saved in my um, phone gallery. So let's go to my phone gallery and check this picture. So as you guys can see, this picture is scattered. And if you go to this first one and go to photo info, you'll see number 1. But I think from the way it cut it, we don't need to follow that way. If you go to this last one and click on photo info, you'll see this is number 9. And from the picture that I cut now, this should be the first to be uploaded because this is the down picture, the first picture, which while I was trying to cut it, I think this picture should be the number 1. But here is number 9. So I think after cutting it, you have to start from the higher number and start uploading to the lowest number. We're going to try it now. So let's go over to my, okay, look at the picture. This is the number 1, but here is the number 9. So we have to start uploading from the number 9, not number 1, because this is the number 1. If you start uploading from here, you won't get it right. You have to start upload this one first, upload this one second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is number 1, but here after cutting it, the picture turned out to be the number 9. Now let's dive right into Instagram. Let me use this Instagram and show you an example. Okay, but before I do that, let me just upload the post. Then I want to show you guys something. Let me upload it again. Upload. Let me upload it the 3rd time so that it will be on the 3 line. Okay. They've all uploaded. Now let's go to my Instagram. You see, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm going to use these 3 pictures to show you the example of the mistake that you don't need to make when you are doing this kind of stuff in your Instagram. Now let's go and upload those pictures. Now, if you want to upload those pictures, for you not to get confused, don't go here and start looking for those pictures to upload. Okay? What you need to do, go back to your gallery where you have the pictures in one folder. Select this first one, share it to Instagram. Okay, share it to Instagram feed. Yes, not Instagram chats, not Instagram stories. Share it to Instagram feed. Click here, click next, upload. Number one has gone, finishing uploading. Done. You can see the picture. Let's go to the next one. The first one we uploaded was number 9, and this one is going to be number 8. Okay, let's upload it. Instagram feed. Throw it out again to Instagram. Post. Finishing up. Okay, let's wait. Done. Go back again to number 7. Info. Number 7. Share. Feed. Throw it. Finishing up. Done. Let's go to Instagram and check and refresh. You can see the picture is aligned. Now let's keep going. Go to number 6. Share. Feed. Send. Okay. Go back. Next one. Should be the number 5. Feed. Post. Okay. Next one. Feed. Okay. Post. Go back. Next one. Share. Make sure your internet is very fast. Don't upload and allow the number 5 to upload before number 7. So I'm just doing this because my internet is very fast. This is actually the last one. Feed. Next, next, next. So I've uploaded all the pictures. Let's go to Instagram, refresh. You can see this picture the way it is now on Instagram. You can see the way it is a full image on Instagram. Now, let me show you one mistake that you don't need to do. Once you upload any of this picture, before you start uploading any of this picture, any of your pictures like this, or any picture on your Instagram like this, for it not to spoil later in the future. If you want to upload this kind of stuff, make sure that you have deleted everything that you don't want on your Instagram profile before uploading these pictures. Now, if you want to delete, in case if in the future you want to delete anything that is below this picture, this square picture that you just cut now and uploaded on your profile, you have to delete not just one, not 2 items. You have to delete 3 on a row so that it will balance this square. Now, let me show you an example. If I delete this picture now, delete, this picture is gone. Let's go back to my Instagram, refresh it. So you guys can see, it has scattered the things that is even down, not even both the Whiskey, both the Tiwa Savage, both Davido and all that. So if you want to balance this, okay, I made a mistake. I told you guys that you have to delete the things below, not on top. But I'm seeing that if you delete something that is on top, the pictures down will try to cover this hole. So when they try to cover this hole, the picture will scatter. If you see the one on top did not scatter, it's the one below. So you have to delete this one. Let's delete it. Delete. Let's go back again and refresh. You can see the ones below are still scattered. Now, if you delete this third one now, you will notice that everything is going to balance. Delete this third one I've deleted those first three pictures that I uploaded. You can see now everything is now balanced. Every single thing is now balanced on this Instagram profile. So let's try something else. Let's post something. Let me see if it's going to scatter the whole formula. Let's post this again. Post to my Instagram. This one is going to be on top. So let's go. You see? Now it has scattered virtually everything on your Instagram wall. So even if you want to build your Instagram like this, that means anytime you want to upload, you have to upload that square. You have to just upload that square. Because if you want to get this right now, you have to balance the three lines. You have to balance the three lines. This is how I've been uploading on my Instagram, and I like my Instagram like that. Okay, it makes my Instagram professional. Now let's go again. You see, it's still not balanced until I upload the third one. If I upload the third one, that means everything is going to balance. You see, it's now everything has now balanced. So if you want to upload and be uploading your pictures like this on Instagram, you have to start with this format. Don't go away with this format. Just start with this format and make sure you're uploading things on your Instagram on this format. So guys, you can see how easy it is for you to paste any kind of image on your Instagram wall and make your Instagram wall very professional in whatever niche you are on your Instagram. If this is your very first time of watching my video, my name is Asugha Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and some other relevant tips that helps in a daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new apps and games in the virtual reality space.
Think strong, be strong. You got this.
So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button is turned on so that you wouldn't miss any of my content. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question at all, drop it in the comment section below this video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.